Would you look what we got? Boom. First day. Cop this bad boy. And we're gonna open it. First video on the channel. That's exciting. Tyler.
Me.
Her. So what we're gonna do, spin it around. It's pretty much everything that comes in it. We got 9 packs. The box, obviously, some energies, dividers, damage counters, blah, 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 blah. We'll get that open, and then we'll just start opening these packs.
Gang cards.
These guys are always cool to have because in the back, it's going to show all of the cards in the set. Boom. Flop. Box. Whoop. Nothing in there. Okay. Inside. Boom. Energies that we talked about. Yo.
See? That one's my favorite.
This is the Violet promo. Have that over here. Sit tight.
These bad boys.
Bosch is opening the sleeves now so we could show that off at the same time. Textured like crazy.
Ta-da! He's ready. He wants a hug.
They still have like the print on the sides
No!
up here, which I think.
But that looks better than right at the bottom, like the Charizard.
The Charizard
Charizard's
sleeves
ugly.
were completely terrible. A little bigger, so we got the gold around the outside. Code card. The poison and
Those are
burn
cool.
counters. These ones definitely look better than the old ones. They look like they were metal.
How
These
cool
ones
would
are
it be
definitely
if this
plastic.
like dripped?
That would be
Like those
cool.
things that like you just swoosh.
They're made super cheaply. Here's the dice.
Those dice are nice.
Those are nice dice. Gold and purple on the one side.
Those are nice.
Purple and
Everything's
gold
nice.
on the other side. Nice. Alright. Now to the goodies. We're just gonna do this. Boop. You pick a pack.
Me first?
You first.
Alright. This one. Ta-da! That's even the point of doing this. Nobody cares.
Some people might care.
So, this little guy. Toddle. So bright. Magikarp. Magnemite. Energy Switch. Ooh. I haven't seen that one at all. Rock Chestplate. Titan. Metachamp. Yeah, you can see it a little bit.
Not as soon as it goes in a sleeve, I bet.
No, not in it. Why would you sleeve a reverse?
Like if you're blurring.
Oh. Dedenne. Handsome. Quaquavel. Not good. He's a rascal. He's not my favorite, but that's okay. He's still trying his best.
You see the code color? I don't care because they're upside down and I'm not gonna beat it up. I don't think they even matter anymore. Anyways.
Codes?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like the color of the code. Flittle, Shroomish, Mankey, Capsicid, Winklone, Yurtomb, Ball, Cloth. Yes! One of the only cards I was really going after.
Hell yeah!
That is sick.
Aww. Look at his little gang. He has the Gengar. What's it called? Squishmallow.
That is so good. I'm
Aw.
pumped about that.
Yay!
And Indeedee.
They had to finish it off with one that they know you hate.
Yeah, I absolutely hate Indeedee. The bane of my existence. There it is, all sleeved up.
Oh, I'm so happy
That's
for
so great.
you.
There's this one and the Slowpoke that I was
amazing.
really excited
Oh,
for.
man, that's so cool.
That's sick. You're up.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna beat that. All right. I just keep opening the ones with the trio on it, I guess. Okay, code is back there now.
Yeah.
So weird. A lot of getting used to. It's also upside down. Like, why would they do it like that? Like, I mean, they're always like that. I hate that. Kablam. Little Capsicid. I'm sorry. I think he's the ugliest new Pokemon. He's not my favorite. What he evolves into makes no sense. Potion. Weasel, of course. Energy retrieval. Little Doxbun. Doxbun's so cute. Torkoal. Scovillain.
That's who he evolves into.
Yeah, I know. That doesn't make sense. But the Skeledirge is really cool.
Mm-hmm.
The worst? That's the worst Pokemon from Scarlet and Violet. Don't want a stupid car engine. They give me like an actual car. If that's the case.
I am stronger than this pack.
You got this. Yeah, see, I just
Boom.
threw a mess.
Nobody cares. Boop.
Charlos!
Carlos. Potion. Weasel. Energy retrieval. Espathra. Arvin. Whatever, however you pronounce that.
Cacturn.
Yep. Oh, damn. Full art trainer. Jacques.
Look at you!
I'm actually killing it today. That's exciting. That's sick.
Nice. He's posing way too sexy.
Yeah. He's being a baddie over here.
The Gyarados pack. Give me luck. I don't know. So far, I think this is going very well.
I'll take it. If we got nothing else, I'd still be pumped.
That's what I'm saying. This is already pretty... No, sorry. It stresses me out that it's backwards, and I have to, like, do a little, like, maneuver. Magikarp. Magnemite. Energy Switch. Faroom. Muck. Yes. Been there. Pavilion. Doxbun. Drowsy, and he's in the Asado Desert, which I think is very cool. It's just so cool to like play the game first before getting the cards, and then seeing like backdrops of like, oh, I've been there. And there's a Gimme Ghoul up there.
No!
The Curlia! Sick! She's like, I'm gonna kill that babe.
I'm looking at it like it's lunch.
Because I know this is like a 3-part with the Ralts, the Curly, and the Gardevoir, and it's like Ralts is there first, there's no baby. So this is like, you know what? Love me. That's awesome. And Houndstone! Hell yeah. Okay. Hell yeah.
That was sick. This is a good box.
This box has been blessed. This is blessed.
This one was copped
Blessed.
from Walmart. Oddly enough, they had it stocked up.
Walmart was like... I was gonna say puckering out the ass.
That's a hell of a quote. There you go. Why would you say that? Is that an expression? Did you just make that up? Okay. Lechonk, everyone's favorite fat pig.
Shiny Lechonk is great.
Slowpoke.
I need to do a shiny gallery of this because they're so easy to get the shinies.
Zangoose.
Sorry.
Winkalone. Why are you saying sorry?
Because I was talking later.
Breloom. Kilowattrel. Waxwell. Dolliv. And get the hell out of here. We're killing it. Magnezone EX.
Bum, bum, bum. Hell yeah.
Damn.
That is really freaking cool.
That is awesome.
I think Magnezone's cool. I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm sorry, but like
You better be sorry
I don't know if you
for
think
having
he's...
your own opinion.
Well, I don't know. I'm just saying I don't know if that's if it's a popular opinion. I don't know if people think he's lame, but I think he's very cool.
We got 3 packs left.
3 packs.
Bosch is wearing a green shirt, so
No, I'm not.
it's awesome seeing it mess with the green screen.
Oops, sorry. You know what? You're gonna get lucky this time.
You received a code.
Energy. Not anymore. All right. Clauncher. Skidoo. I'm gonna blue Skidoo. Waxley. Squovit. He's like, yo. That's what he's like. Tatsugiri. He looks like pissed in this picture. Mise en place is one of his moves. Scovillain. Torkoal. That's not my reverse yet. There we go. The Citadel. He's really cute. I'm not a fan of what he evolves into. I don't think Cetitan is as good as him. Magnemite. Cloth. With his hair. I thought he had hairy armpits, but I guess he just has hairy bracelets.
Hairy everything.
A hairy butt.
I'm going for the heat.
Walking down the street. Going for the heat.
Beating on the meat.
Making a little...
Skeeting. I think all these codes have been white so far, so I don't think it matters.
We had one black, but we've also had
the one black
full
that we
art,
got was the one for the box. Broom. Launcher. Skidoo. Showing that little hiney. Nice hiney, bro. Waxley. Team Star Grunt. Zangoose. Youngster. Smoliv. Mouscarada. And
Hey, Daddy.
Professor's Research.
Daddy.
Daddy's Research. Last pack, Magic. You got this.
I don't know.
You do?
I feel like my magic has dwindled.
I'm just gonna watch you like this.
Please do. You feel nice.
It's supposed to be intimidating.
No, it just feels nice.
There it is. Close enough. You could read it. Ta-da.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Chonk. Slowpoke. Dipping his piggies. Wattrel. Zangoose. We got a lot of Zangooses today. Zangiese. We got a lot of Zangiese. Messagoza. Heracross. Defiance Band. Shroomish. He's a little shroom. Mareep. Okay. Pa-pa-ria-pa-pa-pa.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Klefki.
Klefki.
A grand finale.
Not the best Pokemon ever invented.
So,
This was
we
solid.
got... This was a solid box. Magnezone EX. Curlia. Jacques. Greveard. And the Miraidon. Yeah, you can't really check out too well with these sleeves in. But that was the pulls from today. Upcoming, we got this bad boy.
It's okay. You
Let's
could
do a
just
little
act
twist.
like it was
Boom.
never.
Look
act
how
like-
exciting that is. So, check it out. Eventually. Bye.